My name is Erin Feiger, and Microsoft has invited me to share with you my experience in using Partner Center Portal and the partner programs available to you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to publish your offers to AppSource. Before we get started, I highly recommend you work with your marketing department to collect the following 6 things so that when publishing your offer in the marketplace, it can go smoothly and quickly. First, you're going to need to identify where you'd like Microsoft to send your customer leads. As customers fill out the contact me information in your listing page, Microsoft will need to point that information and store it somewhere for you. You're going to need a brief description and a long description of your solution. These items are going to help build out your actual landing page of your offer. You can post up to 3 assets in your page, and you'll have 2 logos. The logos need to be specifically 216 pixels by 216 pixels, and the other one 350 by 350, and they need to be PNG files. Lastly, you're going to need 1 PNG file that highlights your service. You can have up to 5, but you need at least 1, and that might be a snapshot of your one-pager, or maybe you have a customer success story that you want to highlight. You can upload that image. Once you have these 6 components ready to go, then we can come out to Partner Center and start to publish your consulting service offering in the commercial marketplace. Once logged into Partner Center, you want to make sure that you can see the Marketplace Offers tile on your homepage. If you don't see your Marketplace Offers tile, you're going to need to work with your account admin or your global admin to identify who the owner of your publishing environment is and have the owner of that publishing environment grant you developer access so that you can help support publishing offers in the commercial marketplace. So once I have the Marketplace Offers tile, I'm going to click here. And in my Marketplace Offers overview, I'll see all the offers I'm working on and or have published. And today we're going to click on New Offer, Consulting Service. So the offer ID and the alias. The offer ID is something that's going to go up in the URL address. So this information cannot be changed once you create it. Your offer ID needs to be all lowercase, meeting, 2-day workshop. And we're going to use the underscore to create spaces. My offer alias name is something I will be able to come back to at any time and change the name if I need to. Once you create the offer, oh, see, you can't have duplicates. What I'm just going to do, we'll make it a 3-day workshop. Now I've created the shell of my offer. At any time, I can come back in and start working away at each of these sections if I end up missing information. So it's really easy just to kind of come in and out as you've got it in draft mode until you're ready to actually review and publish your offer. So in the offer setup, this is where you're going to configure that customer leads section, pointing Microsoft to where you would like them to send that information. I highly recommend that you click on the Learn More about configuring customer leads section so that you can see the directions on specifically what is needed to configure your offer to either go to an Azure table, Dynamics 365, an HTTPS endpoint, Marketo, or Salesforce. Once you've completed the information on a page, it's important that you click Save Draft before moving to the next section. Under Properties, here's where we're actually setting up how our offer can be searched and found in the marketplace. So for this offer, we're going to say it's Microsoft 365. It's related to meetings for Microsoft Teams, Teams custom solution, And let's find the meeting rooms for Microsoft Teams. So you can pick up to 3. I'm going to identify what type of consulting service offering this is. It's a workshop. If it's relevant to specific industries that you're selling this workshop into, you'll be able to highlight those industries. If you end up picking an industry that you don't need, then you can simply come over here to the right and click the little trash can to remove that industry. And then competencies. You can add your competencies that are relevant. Only what you've earned will show here in the drop-down list. And then hit Save Draft. Let's go over to the App Source page so you can see how these filters are actually used. So here I'm in the App Source catalog, and I want to go look for um, an offer based on that product. So I had said 365, and in 365, I had said it was related to meeting rooms, Teams custom solution, and meeting rooms for Microsoft Teams. So if I'm searching for an offer that's related to these 3 areas, then all my offers will show up. You want to make sure that how you think your customers are going to be searching for offers, that you tag that in your offer listings when setting up your offer. Here's the industries and then the service type. So I only want to see workshops. Let's go back to our offer. So now that you have a better understanding of how the general properties work and how to best align your solution in ways that your customers could be searching in the catalog for you, we're going to move over to offer listing. In the offer listing section, here's where we're actually building the landing page that once we publish our offers, this is where your customers will find your offer, click on it, and see the landing page. So you're going to enter a brief description, your long description. You can have 3 keywords that you could use to help search for your offer. The value, so we had said this is a 3-day workshop. The primary and secondary contact, this contact information is for Microsoft only. So customers and prospects won't see this information out in the marketplace. This is for Microsoft to reach out to you if they need to contact you. Supporting documents, this is where you're going to upload that 1-pager, and you can upload up to 3 documents. Your logos go here, your large one and your medium one. So 216 by 216 and 350 by 350 must be a PNG file. 1 promotional item, so that's that snapshot of your 1-pager or customer success story. And then it's optional, but if you do have a video, Microsoft does give you the ability to upload up to 4 videos that demonstrates your offer. Once you've filled out all of the information on this page, go ahead and hit Save Draft before moving on to pricing and availability. Under pricing and availability, what you're really selecting here is you're saying, what are all the markets I want to make this offer available in? So what are all the countries that I want to make sure I'm selling this offer into? So you can either scroll through the list or you can use the search at the top to find the countries that you want to make sure you are marketing this offer in. You can even hit subcategories if you need to. Your preview audience, this is really for you to come in and look at the offer before it goes live so you can have people test it and give them a code. I'm going to say this is a free offer and hit Save Draft. The co-sell with Microsoft section, this has recently changed to now be someone who is what Microsoft is calling a co-sell solutions admin user. So you need to have the co-sell solution admin user role assigned to you in order to support getting the offer co-sell ready with Microsoft. So it's not required in order for you to publish your offer and get it live. But if you want to start co-selling with Microsoft, once you have a live offer, you'll go over to the referrals program and then upload the requirements for getting your offer co-sell ready with Microsoft. Once all of the sections have been completed, then you're ready to go ahead and review and publish your offer. So, my core tip of the day for you is really work with your marketing team ahead of time to collect all the assets you're going to need to really build your offer. When it comes to publishing consulting service offerings, it really is a lot of marketing support that you need in getting that offer published. Also, refer back to that development kit that Microsoft has created for you because they have very specific directions on publishing consulting service offerings around modernized communication and hybrid meetings. I hope you found this video to be helpful. I'm Erin Feiger, and thank you for joining me on this journey inside Microsoft's Partner Center portal.